How to fix Kakao Talk's login problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily fix if you are unable to log into Kakao Talk. But before we get started, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel. So the very first thing you're going to do is open up the app and then make sure that you enter the correct credentials. You'll also have to make sure that you have a stable enough internet connection. And if you're having trouble with that, just make sure to switch to mobile data. But if you're still facing the issue, then there might be some bugs or glitches regarding the app. So what you'll have to do is go to your settings menu and head over to apps. Now here, just search for Kakao Talks and then tap on it. Now once you tap on Kakao Talks, you can head over to its storage to clear cache. Now once you've cleared your cache, head over to permission and make sure all of these permissions are allowed. And then finally, try to force stop the app, because if the app is running in the background and it's not completing your request, then it is a good idea to force stop the app so that it does not get stuck or it does not misbehave. And after doing that, all you have to do is head over to your Play Store and see if there are any updates available. If there is, make sure to update the app to its latest version. Now, after doing all of this, finally head over to your app and enter your login credentials to try to log into your account, and you should be able to log in from here. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to our channel, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.